I've created 10 beautiful, easy step-by-step hairstyles. This hairstyle is fantastic. It's so simple. And this is hairstyle number 6. Let's have a look at how I did it. This hairstyle looks incredibly complicated and it's very sculptural, but I promise you, the technique is simple. We're going to start off with a large rectangle on the top like that and a ponytail just behind the crown. I'm going to tong all of the ponytail and the front area as well. All I need is just a little bit of movement. I just want a little bit of movement through the hair, so I'm using a medium tong. Let's take the front and we'll pop that out of the way. I'm going to come to the back area, and in the back area I'm going to put 3 hair nets into the back of the hair. Look at that, there's 3 hair nets attached to a hair grip, 1, 2 and 3. There they are. Now what I'm going to do is divide the ponytail into 3, take 1 hairnet down, encapsulate the hair, so take it all into the ponytail, and then bring the tails up so they've got like a little wave on them. Look at that, feed it down and feed the tails back up so there's a little kind of wave or a curl on the end. Once you've got the hair into the hair nets, then anything's possible. Look at this, I'm taking 1 under and back over, then I'm going to crisscross another 2, just putting my section clips there to hold it to make sure it looks good. And I just have fun. I mean, that's the whole point of this hairstyle, is just to have fun, using the hair literally like sculpture. As I'm working now, it's just about keeping an eye on what I want. Look, a little wave on the top. Take the front area, pull it back, take it over, and then create something that harmonizes beautifully with what you've already created. I love this look. Now let's have a look at what it could look like on a client.